Hi everybody, so today I'm going to give you tips and techniques on how to actually draw a face on its side profile. So what you want to first of all do is you want to make sure that you're drawing a basic face first. So with your basic face, we would tend to draw an oval and we would tend to divide it in half both ways. Now when you divide in half both ways is because that's more or less where your eye would be placed when you're doing your portrait. And then more or less your nose is just, you would feel that it's over here. And then your mouth, you would kind of feel the mouth opening would be over here. So your bottom lip would be over there. Now, the reason I'm saying is not to place too much focus, but it's just to know where does everything end and begin. So that now, when I want to draw my face on the side, this can help me with what I want to do. So you can take a ruler and you can draw the side. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show where the line of the nose is, the line of the opening of the mouth is, and then I'm going to show the bottom of the chin. So I'm using that as a measurement to help me. And then what I'm going to do when you're drawing the side of the face, it's realizing that we have the back of the skull, and then that helps us. So how do we actually do that? So we do a basic shape like this, which would be the circle. And then we would do a line coming down the front right up to the bottom of the chin. And then I would then do a space coming out like that. Okay. So once I've got that, that's going to help me now put everything into place. Now with the forehead, obviously you can look at an image, but you've got that area here. And then before you get the actual eyes, it comes in a slightly there because that's where your eyebrows are, and then it comes out with your nose. And then before we touch that bottom line of the nose, it has an angle like that. And then what happens is my lips are going to come out a bit, but I'm going to check the angle. So I'm going to keep the angle like that. The lips are going to come out, and then there connect with the middle of the mouth opening. And then it's going to open up again, the lips, and then come around. And I'm going to have the chin. Okay, so I've just put the angles in place first. So now when I start actually bringing the face together, I'm going to round certain areas. And then I will have the lips coming in to the mouth opening, and the lips over there, and then over there. So now I've kind of got the side profile of the face. So when I'm looking at the eyes, obviously the eyebrows are going to be there. I'd have my eye resting on that line. And then my lips are going to have the mouth opening and then connected to there and to the bottom. And then the nose, I would have a nostril there and then over there. So I can make that quite rounded, or I can make that where I want to do that. And then I can obviously round that over there. Okay, so it's just something for you to play with when you're doing the side profile of your face.